In this video, we will show you how to unlock your iPhone using only your voice. This method of unlocking may not be as secure as other methods. In a test, we were able to have another person other than ourselves use their voice to unlock the phone. So use this method cautiously. First, open Settings and tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Voice Control. Make sure the voice control toggle is turned on. Tap Customize Commands and then tap Create New Command and type in the phrase you'd like to use to unlock your phone. We will use the command Open Phone. Tap Action, then run Custom Gesture. This gesture screen will not show you where your passcode numbers are on screen. You will have to know exactly where these numbers are ahead of time to input the gesture. Once set, tap Save and exit Settings. Now, while locked, your phone should open to the voice command phrase you set. Open Phone.